There's a plant in your yard right now that your home insurance will not cover. It does not crack your foundation by force. It waits for a hairline fracture, then follows the moisture inside through a biological process called hydrotropism. Think of it as a heat-seeking missile, except it is seeking your leaking pipes. We tested 7 of the most popular nursery plants sold across USDA Zones 5 through 10. Every single one of them is a financial liability, hiding behind a beautiful flower, and number 1 on this list is currently sold at every major big box garden center in the USA with 0 warning labels about its legal and financial liability. Stay with us because this one plant can stop a bank from approving a mortgage on your property. But do not panic. For every property killer on this list, I will show you a safe, beautiful alternative that actually builds your home equity instead of destroying it. Here's what the garden center will never tell you. The plants on this list are not rare. They are not exotic imports. They are sitting in plastic pots right now labeled fast-growing and low maintenance at Home Depot, Lowe's, and every local nursery across zones 5 through 10. And when the damage shows up, a lifted driveway, a cracked foundation, a blocked sewer line, your insurance adjuster has one answer: gradual damage, not covered. Does that sound familiar? Sewer line replacement in the USA costs between $3,000 and $10,000. Foundation repair from root displacement runs between $2,000 and $15,000. Bamboo removal alone averages $800 to $2,500 per yard, and none of it is covered under a standard homeowner policy. Because legally, planting a known invasive species near your foundation is classified as negligence. Not bad luck, negligence. And in some regions, your neighbor can sue you for civil liability. If bamboo rhizomes cross the property line, it is not just your foundation at risk, it is your legal record. Most gardeners find this out too late. You will not. Let us start the countdown. Number 7, English Ivy Hedera helix. This plant looks harmless, it covers walls, it looks classic and elegant. But English ivy produces adhesive rootlets that secrete a compound directly into your mortar joints. It does not just climb your wall, it eats it. It traps moisture against the surface, accelerating wood rot in your fascia boards and window frames. Repair costs for ivy-related wall and fascia damage average $1,000 to $3,000. The safe alternative is crossvine Bignonia capreolata. It climbs by tendrils, not rootlets, 0 wall damage. Same beautiful coverage. Number 6, Bradford pear, Pyrus coloriana. This is the most deceptive tree on this list. It blooms beautifully every spring. It is in millions of front yards across zones 5 through 9. And it is structurally one of the most dangerous trees you can plant near a home. Bradford pear branches grow at angles between 20 and 30 degrees, far too narrow to support the tree's weight at maturity. In a storm, these branches do not bend, they split. A single branch failure costs $2,000 to $5,000 in roof or vehicle damage. The safe alternative is serviceberry, Amelanchier canadensis = spring bloom. Structurally sound, no liability. Number 5, silver maple, Acer saccharinum. Silver maple is the most common shade tree in North American suburbs. It is also responsible for more sidewalk and driveway damage than any other residential tree in zones 3 through 9. Its roots stay shallow, just 2 to 4 inches below the surface, and spread aggressively outward. Municipal infrastructure studies estimate $3 in sidewalk damage per tree per year. That number compounds fast. The safe alternative is black gum, Nyssa sylvatica, deep taproot, 0 surface heave, equal fall color display. Number 4, Asian wisteria, Wisteria sinensis. Most people think of this as a romantic flowering vine. What they do not think about is the woody mass it becomes in year 4 or 5. Mature Asian wisteria can exert enough physical force to distort pergola frames, block gutters, and lift roof shingles. Documented fascia board replacement costs from wisteria damage run between $1,500 and $4,000 in zones 5 through 9. This plant needs structural containment every single season or it will take over. The safe alternative is American wisteria, Wisteria frutescens, same stunning bloom, 70% less aggressive growth rate. Number 3, Weeping Willow Salix babylonica. Here is a fact most homeowners do not know. Weeping willow roots can detect moisture from a leaking pipe joint from 50 feet away. They follow that moisture signal directly into the pipe through the smallest available joint gap. Weeping willows are responsible for approximately 50% of tree-related sewer blockages in residential zones across the USA. Sewer line replacement costs between $3,000 and $10,000 and your insurance will not cover it. Minimum safe planting distance from any water or sewer line is 50 feet. The safe alternative is river birch, Betula nigra. Equally dramatic, moisture-tolerant, non-invasive root system. Number 2, running bamboo, Philastachys species. Running bamboo spreads up to 15 feet per year in USDA Zones 7 through 9. Most homeowners install a standard 24-inch plastic root barrier and consider the problem solved. It is not solved in warm zones. Philastachys rhizomes grow to 28 to 36 inches deep within 3 years and travel underneath the barrier, not through it. Running bamboo is the single leading cause of neighbor boundary disputes and civil litigation in residential landscaping across the USA and UK. Removal costs between $800 and $2,500 per average yard, and if your neighbor has it, you may already have a legal problem forming underground right now. The safe alternative is inkberry holly, Ilex glabra, dense evergreen screen, zero spread risk, zero litigation risk, and that brings us to number 1. The plant that does not just damage your home, the plant that can make your home unsellable. Before we reveal it, consider this. It can push its roots through 3 meters of compacted soil and concrete. It can regrow from a fragment smaller than your thumbnail, and if you have it on your property, you may need a specialist team just to clear your title deed before a sale can go through. Number 1 is next. Number 1, Japanese knotweed, Rhaenodrea japonica. This is not just a gardening problem. In the United Kingdom, Japanese knotweed within 7 meters of a structure must be declared by law during a property sale. Major mortgage lenders, including Lloyd's and Halifax, have declined home loans on properties with active knotweed infestations in the USA. Several states are now introducing similar real estate disclosure requirements. Its rhizomes grow 3 meters deep and 7 meters laterally. It can regrow from a fragment as small as 0.7 grams. Professional eradication takes 3 to 5 years and costs between $1,500 and $5,000. The safe alternative is buttonbush Cephalanthus occidentalis, native, wildlife-friendly, zero liability, zero legal risk. Now, here are 3 things you can do today. 1. Walk your property line and identify any of these 7 plants within 10 feet of your foundation, sewer cleanout, or driveway. 2. Do not cut bamboo or knotweed without a removal plan. Cutting stimulates rhizome branching and makes removal significantly harder. 3. Before buying any fast-growing screen or climber, search your county extension service database for zone-specific invasive plant warnings. Your garden should be building your home equity, not quietly working against it. Now you know exactly what to remove, what to replace it with, and why your garden center was never going to tell you any of this. Tell me in the comments which one of these plants is already in your yard. If this information just protected your biggest financial asset, consider joining this channel. We research what the label never tells you, and if you already have one of these plants and need to remove it, the next video covers the only 3 tools that actually kill deep root systems without destroying your soil. It is linked right here.